How to change your profile picture on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you the ways on how you can remove your profile picture or change your profile picture on Instagram. So to begin with, update your application. If you have not updated, go ahead and open up your Play Store. On the search box, type in Instagram and check whether the app needs to be updated or not. If you see update, then tap the update button and wait for the application to be updated. If the application is already up to date, tap on the open button and log in into your Instagram account. Once you're logged into your Instagram account, it's going to direct you to the home page. So to change your profile picture, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side corner, go to edit profile. As soon as you click on edit profile, you can see right on top you have the profile, so click on edit picture or avatar. So over here you'll be able to see three different options. That is, either you can import new profile picture from your gallery, or you can just simply import it from the Facebook, or you can just make it similar as what's on your Facebook, or else you can also add the avatar by tapping on this icon located in the right hand side corner and just go ahead and tap on create avatar, and you can create an avatar of your profile picture. Now for example, I'm just going to select it from my gallery. Now let's say that I'm just going to go ahead and open up this particular one, and if you're sure about this, then tap the next button, adjust the size accordingly, click the next button, and if you're sure about it, then tap on the tick icon located right on top, and then you've successfully changed your profile picture on Instagram. So in this way you can change your profile picture on Instagram. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.